Welcome back to Best Tools and Apps. Today, we're delving into an exciting topic that's all about giving your business a serious edge. Get ready to discover the incredible power of artificial intelligence as we unveil the top 5 AI tools that can transform the way you do business. Remember not to miss the bonus tool in the end of the video. Let's jump right in. Alright, let's kick things off with our first game changer, Jasper, the AI writing assistant. Jasper isn't just your run-of-the-mill writing tool. It's like having a creative partner that understands your style and helps you craft content that truly stands out. Jasper's AI-powered magic lies in its ability to understand your writing style and generate original, engaging content. Say goodbye to writer's block. It can even rephrase text, polish sentences, and fine-tune grammar, all in the blink of an eye. Whether you're crafting blog posts, emails, or marketing materials, Jasper's got your back. But wait, there's more! Jasper goes beyond the ordinary. It can generate various creative text formats, from code snippets to poetry. Imagine a tool that adapts to your needs, no matter how diverse they are. The possibilities are endless. So, if you're tired of staring at a blank page, Jasper is here to help you craft content that not only resonates but also captivates your audience. Let's move on and uncover our next AI tool on the list. Now, let's dive into the world of Copy.ai, an AI writing assistant that's all about supercharging your content creation process. It's not just about words, it's about creating persuasive, impactful content that leaves a lasting impression. Copy.ai is like having a skilled copywriter by your side. It understands your target audience and crafts content that resonates with them. Whether you need compelling headlines, attention-grabbing descriptions, or irresistible calls to action, Copy.ai delivers the goods. But Copy.ai isn't a one-trick pony. It goes beyond writing. It can also assist you with keyword research, ensuring that your content gets the visibility it deserves. Plus, when it comes to ad copy generation, Copy.ai shines bright. It knows how to capture attention and drive action. In a world where compelling content is king, Copy.ai steps up to the plate with its AI-powered prowess. So, if you're ready to transform your content game, keep watching. We've got more AI tools to uncover. Now, let's shift our focus to an essential tool for anyone who deals with written communication, Grammarly. This AI-powered grammar checker isn't just about catching typos, it's about enhancing the clarity and effectiveness of your writing. Grammarly's AI algorithms work behind the scenes to identify grammar errors, spelling mistakes, and even style inconsistencies. It's like having an eagle-eyed editor who highlights areas for improvement and provides helpful suggestions. But what sets Grammarly apart is its ability to learn your unique writing style. It tailors its suggestions to match your tone and voice, ensuring that your writing remains authentic while still being polished and professional. In a world where clear communication is key, Grammarly has become a go-to tool for professionals and writers alike. So, if you're ready to elevate your writing game and eliminate those pesky errors, stay tuned for more AI magic. Alright, tech enthusiasts, let's move on to a powerhouse in the world of marketing and sales, HubSpot. This platform isn't just about tools, it's a comprehensive AI-powered solution that can take your marketing and sales efforts to the next level. HubSpot's AI features aren't just about saving time, they're about boosting your efficiency. Imagine automating lead generation, email marketing, and more, all while delivering personalized campaigns that speak directly to your target audience. But that's not all. HubSpot's AI helps you identify the most promising leads, increasing your chances of conversion. And it doesn't stop there. It's like having a crystal ball that predicts customer behavior, helping you make smarter decisions. In the world of marketing and sales, staying ahead is a must, and HubSpot's AI tools are here to guide the way. So, if you're ready to revolutionize the way you connect with your audience, let's explore more AI-driven marvels. Now, let's talk about a true game-changer in customer relationship management, Salesforce. This platform isn't just about managing contacts, it's a hub of AI-powered features that can transform the way you nurture and engage with your customers. Salesforce's AI integration takes customer relationship management to a whole new level. It helps you understand your customers better, tailor your interactions, and build lasting relationships that drive growth. But the AI magic doesn't stop there. With features like lead scoring, Salesforce helps you focus your efforts on the most promising leads, increasing your chances of closing deals. And when it comes to predictive analytics, Salesforce empowers you to make data-driven decisions that shape your business's future. In the ever-evolving landscape of customer relationships, Salesforce's AI tools offer insights and capabilities that can't be ignored. If you're ready to amplify your CRM strategies, stick around for more AI revelations. Alright, folks, get ready for a bonus tool that's about to elevate your business organization to a whole new level. Introducing Notion, a versatile workspace that's not just a tool, but a canvas for your ideas, projects, and collaborations. Notion isn't limited to a single purpose. Whether it's project management, note-taking, or knowledge sharing, Notion adapts to your needs like a chameleon. It's like having a digital Swiss Army knife that simplifies your workflow. But what makes Notion even more intriguing are its AI-powered features. Picture this: Notion suggests templates, topics, and tasks that sync seamlessly with your work. It's not just organization, it's intelligent assistance.so. If you're on the hunt for a tool that can harmonize your business tasks and ideas, you won't want to miss what Notion brings to the table. And there you have it, fellow tech enthusiasts. We've embarked on a journey through the world of AI-powered tools that are revolutionizing the way businesses operate. Let's take a quick moment to recap the top 5 game-changing tools we've explored today. From Jasper's creative content generation to Copy.ai's persuasive writing prowess, Grammarly's clarity enhancement, HubSpot's marketing and sales automation, and Salesforce's CRM transformation, these tools are the modern business's best friends. Thank you for joining us on this AI-powered adventure today. If you found this video informative and exciting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Best Tools and Apps for more tech insights and recommendations. Until next time, keep innovating and embracing the power of technology.